Good morning, children. Now we are going to see about the lesson Our Planet. This is first unit in your 5th standard social studies book. Let's see about our planet. We live on the surface of the earth. Life is possible only on earth because of the presence of land, air and water. How did the earth form? Approximately 4.54 billion years ago, solar system was a cloud of dust and gas known as solar nebula. Due to an explosion, these particles collapsed and began to spin, having the sun at center. The bigger particles which revolve around the sun are called planets. Thus the planet Earth formed. Universe. The universe is a vast expansion of space. Most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 billion years ago. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. These are collectively called as celestial bodies, which are located far away from each other. A light year is the unit used to measure the distance between the celestial bodies. Galaxy. It is a huge cluster of stars which are held together by gravitational force. Most of the galaxies are scattered in space, but some remain in groups. The Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 billion years after the Big Bang explosion. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system. The word solar is derived from the Roman word sol, which means sun god. The solar system is believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system which comprises of the sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. The Sun. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. Each member of the solar system revolves around the Sun. The Sun is so huge that it accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. The Sun is made up of extremely hot gases like hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a star. It is self-luminous, so it gives the light on its own. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. It is the source of light and heat energy to the entire solar system. Sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the Earth. Planets. The word planet means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We can easily remember the order of the planets by using this sentence. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. Here, M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. So, my very educated mother just showed us Neptune. All the planets rotate anticlockwise on their own axis except Venus and Uranus. The elliptical path in which the planets move around the Sun is known as orbit. The 8 planets revolve in their respective orbits because of the gravitational pull of the Sun. They do not move out of their paths. The 4 planets nearer to the Sun are called inner or terrestrial planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets. The inner planets are comparatively smaller in size and are composed of rocks. The surface of inner planets has mountains, volcanoes. The last 4 planets are called as outer planets or Jovian planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. They are also called gaseous giants. Mercury, the nearest planet. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. It is an airless and waterless planet. It does not have an atmosphere and so experiences extremes of temperature. It has no natural satellites. Mercury can be viewed in the morning and evening with naked eye. Venus. Venus, the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is called Earth's twin as it is almost the same size as the Earth. It has the longest rotation period, that is 243 days, among the planets in the solar system. It rotates in the opposite direction to all other planets except Uranus. It has no natural satellites like Mercury. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is often visible in the mornings and the evenings, and so it is frequently called as the morning star and the evening star. After the moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky. Earth, the living planet. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is called blue planet or watery planet because 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. It is the only planet known to support life. The polar diameter of the Earth is 12,714 km and the equatorial diameter is 12,756 km. The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of about 30 km per second. Life is possible on the Earth because of the presence of land, air and water. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the Moon. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. It is named after the Roman god of war. It appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface, so it is often described as the red planet. It has a thin atmosphere. It also has polar ice caps like the Earth. Jupiter, the largest planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is named after the king of the Roman gods. It is the third brightest object in the night sky after Moon and Venus. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It is called a gas giant planet. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium like the Sun. It has the largest number of natural satellites. Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is named after the Roman god of agriculture. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. Saturn has 62 natural satellites around it. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is the only satellite in the solar system that has clouds and dense atmosphere composed of nitrogen and methane. The specific gravity of Saturn is less than that of water. Uranus, the somersaulting planet. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It was the first to be discovered with a telescope. It appears green due to the presence of methane. It is named after the Greek god of the sky. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the Sun on its side like a rolling ball. Uranus has 27 natural satellites, of which Titania is the largest. Neptune, the coldest planet. Neptune is the eighth and the furthest planet from the Sun. There are strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. Neptune has 14 natural satellites, the largest being Triton. Next we are going to see about dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are extremely cold and dark. They are almost spherical in shape, but unlike planets, they can share their orbit with other dwarf planets. Okay children, in this class we saw about universe, galaxy and solar system. We will see in next class with new topic. Thank you children.